喷嚏怪别乱飞 ，Don't fly around, sneeze monster。这些是喷嚏怪，它们很小很小，最喜欢躲在湿湿的小水滴里飞来飞去。These are sneeze monsters. They are very, very small, and they love to fly around inside tiny wet water droplets. 小男孩正在客厅里开心地玩小汽车，但是他的鼻子突然觉得痒痒的。The little boy is playing happily with his toy car in the living room, but suddenly his nose feels very itchy. 哈哈 achoo！ 小男孩大声地打了一个喷嚏，但他忘记遮住嘴巴了。哈哈 achoo！ The little boy sneezes loudly, but he forgets to cover his mouth. 哎呀！喷嚏怪坐着水滴飞机，全部降落在旁边玩积木的小女孩身上。Oh no! The sneeze monsters ride their droplet planes and land all over the little girl playing with blocks nearby. 就在这时，空中传来一个声音：“别担心，我来帮忙了。”原来是卫生纸超人飞来了。Just then, a voice calls out from the air. Don't worry, I am here to help. It is Tissue Man flying to the rescue. 卫生纸超人对小男孩说：“打喷嚏或咳嗽时，一定要用我遮住嘴巴，喷嚏怪才不会乱飞哟。” Tissue Man says to the little boy, "When you sneeze or cough, you must use me to cover your mouth so the sneeze monsters won't fly around." 小男孩点点头。当他又想打喷嚏时，他赶快拿出一张卫生纸，紧紧地遮住口鼻。The little boy nods. When he feels like sneezing again, he quickly takes a tissue and covers his nose and mouth tightly. 做得好，卫生纸超人指着旁边说：“用过的卫生纸是喷嚏怪的家，要把它们丢进垃圾桶才行。” Well done. Tissue Man points to the side. Used tissues are the sneeze monster's home. You must throw them into the trash can. 接着，卫生纸超人带领小女孩到洗手台，用肥皂泡泡把身上的喷嚏怪全部洗掉。Next, Tissue Man leads the little girl to the sink to wash away all the sneeze monsters with soap bubbles. 现在喷嚏怪都被抓住了，小男孩和小女孩开心地手牵手，大家又可以一起玩游戏了。Now the sneeze monsters are all caught. The little boy and the little girl happily hold hands, and everyone can play games together again.